Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to restore a WhatsApp backup on the Motorola Edge 60 Fusion. Okay, so now let's open up our WhatsApp. I just downloaded it to show you the whole process. Okay, in here simply select your language, and then click on agree and continue. And now in this bar you need to type your phone number, so that's the thing that I'm going to need to do now. Okay, once it's done, simply click on next. Alright, and once you have verified your phone number, you will have something like that. Contacts and media. In here, click on continue, click on allow to access your contacts, and allow to access music and device. And also with the photos and videos on this device, you can click on allow all or allow limited access. I'm just gonna click on allow all. And now, as you can see, we have option to restore our chats. Below you can see how long ago the last backup was made, also the size of it, and the account on which it is stored. Also remember, if you want to restore these chats, you need to be logged in into the same Google account. You can see it right in here. You need to be logged in on your phone into the same Google account. Otherwise, there's a chance that your phone and your WhatsApp won't see those backups. Okay, and once it's done, simply click on restore. And if you don't do this now, you won't have the possibility to do it later. So if you want to restore your chats, you need to do it now. So simply click on this green button, restore. Now the process has started and now it's finished. As you can see, 16 messages restored. Your media will restore in the background. Now simply click on next. In the profile info, simply type your name, and also if you click on this green button right in here, you can add the profile photo. Okay, then click on next, and now as you can see, we can use our WhatsApp, and as you can see, also the messages, photos, and the videos have been successfully restored. Okay, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.